My name is Nicolay. I'm an orthopedic surgeon who specializes in sports medicine as well as shoulder replacements. When I first meet a patient, my first goal is to get to know their activity level, get to know the sports they like to participate in, and understand their occupation. After that, I'll do a careful history and physical examination in order to try and arrive at a diagnosis. And then once we've arrived at an accurate diagnosis, my job is to educate my patients on all the available treatment options that they have to them. When I treat my patients, I always refer to the golden rule. So I treat my patients the way I would like to be treated or the way I'd like my family members to be treated. Oftentimes, when I meet patients, it's not a great day in their life. They're in a lot of pain. Nobody anticipates getting injured. It's a stressful event. When I'm able to work together with that patient to develop a treatment plan that ultimately relieves their symptoms and relieves their pain so that they can get back to what they love to do, that's incredibly rewarding for me and certainly the best part of my job. Illinois Bone and Joint has done an incredible job at earning the trust of our patients and establishing themselves amongst the community. We all work together to try and provide the best musculoskeletal care for our patients.